Yo, what's up? How you doing?
Cześć, dzień dobry, dzień dobry. It has been long time we didn't make video. It has been, I don't know, few weeks, right, kochanie?
16 days. 16 days actually.
Yes, since we were in Wrocław. But today we make our currently update about our life. Our boring life, boring in terms of we really, you know, like a daily life that we enjoyed so far. It's nothing's happening and business going well, ya kochanie.
Well, we develop business, but your business is doing pretty alright.
No.
We had a pizza actually right now, just
Yes.
before half hour ago for our lunch. We're gonna show you right now
Yes.
the clip of it
No.
in our regular place, like a tradition must to go.
Tak,
In
tak.
Bali we used to eat pizza all the time,
Tak.
so now we have to eat also sometimes, right?
Tak,
Just to show you
so
this is a good one.
basically now we are in the Stary Rynek
Stary Rynek.
in front of the town hall.
And time for ice cream and coffee actually.
Yes,
And make
it-
a video for you guys. Little bit from Poznan.
Exactly, and it's spring, and then
It's cold.
It's cold, but
I have a short
we
pants.
can see that it's already changing situation,
It's pretty warm
and then
from my
tourists
perspective.
slowly coming, and the sitting arrangement already outside, and then the fountain already on. So it means like it's gonna be a busier time by time, and then summer coming.
So we're gonna show you a little bit of the Poznan actually, our hometown actually, where we live already. Over 1 year for you, Sayang, and 1.5 for me, nearly 1.5. No, over 1 year for us actually.
Tak, tak.
Times fly so quick, no?
Yes.
Smacznego, kochanie. Co
We
dzisiaj
have a
mamy?
lunch date, actually our favorite pizza here, and look at this.
Look at this pizza, so good, huh? This is real authentic Italian pizza, no? Smacznego. Mine also prosciutto, ale yours is good. Sayang.
How good.
So good, yeah? Enjoy. So this is the city hall, actually, here in Poznan. Oh, ding dong right now.
Aha.
What time is it, Sam? 1?
2:45.
Already?
Yes.
Alright. And that's the situation in the square. The kids come, actually, they play something. There is some school trip, actually, at the front. Oh, right now. The plane is landing somewhere, going. Where is it? I can hear the plane.
Just like I told you, kochanie, I have a pretty boring life. In terms of boring means like same thing happening and again, but I enjoy it so far. And yes.
That's it. At least we can enjoy the view of Poznan. Well, but basically, in Bali we also had a pretty boring life. I mean, like how many times a month I was in, I don't know, in Kuta or something, like the same video.
We're doing the same thing over and over again. But one thing, next month we are traveling at the beginning of summer. We are traveling to one beautiful country
In
right,
Europe.
Kanye?
Yeah,
Europe,
in
that
Europe.
seaside.
It's gonna be cool. Road
And-
trip, seaside, beach, sun, all the stuff.
And we will be off for 1 week.
1 week.
Yes.
Next
and
month, so stay tuned. Also, you're gonna still bang with us. But meanwhile, let's enjoy the Poznan, huh?
Look at those beautiful buildings actually. And yes, there are so many kids from the school actually strolling around here, and I think that they are having a school trip, and I'll show you 360 degrees is what's going on, and the teachers are explaining about the history of the building. And kochanie, look at the beautiful colorful building here in the you know, this one in the city, in the town hall, right, kochanie?
Yeah, that's the city hall actually.
A city hall, yes. And then I'll take you to go to the small alley there. It's nice. Kochanie?
Tak? I'm just hanging out, you know. I feel like I work so much, like 70 hours a week. Like
No.
I told you, I
Yes.
just like feel like a tourist back
No.
in the city where we live already.
Oh,
You know?
tak, yes. So yeah, and so
This
many
was actually
restaurants.
under the renovation for the last 3 years.
Yes, a beautiful, colorful flowers, nice restaurant here, and of course they have so many souvenir shop, right, kochanie?
Like in the big city, you know.
No, no.
You have to buy your souvenirs.
Oh, tak. And yes, this is souvenir that you can buy whenever you are coming to Poznan. The
And buy
goat
rogalик.
and rogalик as well. It's so pretty, nice and colorful. And look at this restaurant and this building 1959. It's nice. Oh, looks so pretty, Kahani.
You told me as you feel cold.
Hey, the thing is that it's sunny. It's around 12 or 13 degree. Enjoyable to walk. It's not that humid. So yeah, we just decided to go to the Starry Neck, enjoying our time. And because last weekend we, work a lot. Yes, Kohanye.
Tak,
So
we work a lot.
No, why not? Let's go having an ice cream.
Okay, let's have ice cream
No.
and coffee later on, nie?
Tak.
Tak. Sayang,
Huh?
ale the winter here wasn't that hard, no?
No,
And it's not like a cold. It's just chill because we just dress lightly, right? Look, Sayang, look.
Yes,
I wear the short pants.
Yeah, I know.
And for me, it's not cold.
I remember that when I was still in Bali at school, I work with so many expat teachers, coming from Europe, coming from many different countries. And then I told some of my friends that I'm gonna move to Poland and live there, and they always said, that's very cold country. When a winter, remember to wear a very, very thick jacket. The thing is that what they imagine about the Poland is totally different than what I experienced. That's it.
That's it. Okay. Ice cream shop is behind this corner.
Oh, it's beautiful building and it's nice. And I never get bored of this. Even like, the same thing again and again. It's so pretty, very pretty.
That's it. It's pretty, isn't it?
Kohanye, look at the blue sky, nice, clean.
Nice, isn't it?
No.
There's
And
the
how-
Freedom Square behind.
How is about the index of the polluted air or
Less
something
than 30. Very clean, happy face, like happy face, the good quality of air. I know some Polish people tend to be honest. Polish people tend to complain about everything. That's in the culture, in the vein.
Oh.
But the air quality is actually very great during the summer, especially.
Tak.
And we used to be in the places where the air pollution was extreme. Even in Bali was pretty bad actually in many places. But I still remember in Bangkok the pollution alert over 300.
Yes.
Here,
true.
actually, I see today because we came by tram here, I see in the index was maximum 150, but we used to be hanging out with over 300. Okay, I have ice cream now. So let's see. You don't want to have ice cream? Too cold for you, Sayan?
I don't know.
Okay, let's
I'm
have a
still
coffee
full.
after that, but I will have a small ice cream, alright?
And one thing in Poznan is also famous for the rogal Święto Marcinski, and this is the place where I usually buy. And rogal Święto Marcinski is look like this. Tak? No,
This one.
like this. This one?
Tak.
Oh. Kochanie, what do you have?
Look at this. This is the best ice cream you can get. I'm a big fan of Italian ice creams. I am from the machine, not the necessarily like, gelato or the scoops one, which are the most popular ice cream everywhere in Asia, in here, everywhere. But I really like the soft Italian ice cream, especially chocolate flavor.
Yeah. So
You
this
sure
is-
you don't want Saya?
No, I
Too
just
cold?
wanna have a walk. I eat a lot of pizza today.
Pizza was great, by the way.
Oh my god. I think
Next
this,
week, my parents coming to see us in Poznan. Actually, maybe we're gonna make a video with them. Let's see, because that's also we need the time for them, right?
yes, true. And it seems like we simply don't have time nowadays to make a video because I work at 10 hours every day and Damian work 12 hours every day.
Oh, even
It's a
16
lot.
sometimes.
It's a lot, but yeah, this is life. So we were there before in the Starry Neck or the Market Square, and here we are in the Plac Wolności.
Which just means Freedom Square in English, because obviously not our viewers speak Polish.
Okay.
Ale the original name is Plac Wolności.
Okay. So Kahanye, behind you, look at the crane there.
I still was thinking maybe I should be a crane operator. It's not about the money or the job. It's just like nice view from the top.
Yeah, because you used to fly the drone, no?
Yeah.
And the thing is that, look, that behind this building also they gonna refurbish. Tak, Kohanye?
Tak,
Change this.
Show this building actually. This building, it was the hotel very, very, very long time ago. One of the first hotels in Poznan. Unfortunately, it's abandoned for many years. There are works now going on there, and I can see the windows and everything. So I hope so. There's gonna be some nice Marriott hotel there, or something like that, or whatever, any brand. I don't care, but at least nice one. Because for me, personally, I wish Poznan is more tourist oriented and more tourists coming to Poznan. That's what I wish about the city development. But let's see. Not my city though. I'm not the president here.
Yeah. So, yeah. This one, the platformnosti, and the fountain is already on. So
That's correct.
yes.
Let's go through it.
And I remember that during the winter last time, it was the mark, right, Kohanye? Winter market.
Every year, yeah.
No?
The Christmas market.
Yes. And here is the fountain.
This is actually nice fountain. Oh, so zimno tu.
Nice
Ale
fountain.
nice. Show the glass here, sir.
Yes.
Nice, no?
Yes, I saw
Okay,
it.
idziemy, ale zimno. Zimno, it's mean cold in Polish language.
The trams going, and that's the Uzon. If you are foreigner living in Poznan, you must be familiar with that building, the Uzon.
We've been many times there when we had handing the documents for you, sir.
No? Tak, I was there many times. And
So stressful place though.
yeah, so yeah, this is how it is actually. So this is the crane operator, which is Kohanye.
Yeah, and he
How?
pulling down the container.
No, tak,
So nice. And look at, zoom into him, into cabin, sir.
up.
No, more. Zoom into him. You can see his face. More, zoom. Yeah, more. He's sitting there. Maybe I can do the job like this, no?
No.
Yeah?
Of
You have to
course
work
not.
there upstairs.
What?
I don't know why. But there could be like a tradies in Australia, no?
No.
Maybe I could move to Australia after that, no?
Don't be silly. I don't want to move to Australia. Even closer to Bali, I don't want. Okay, so this one is the Plaćolnosti. And the cherry tree is blooming. So this is it. I really enjoy my life in Poland. Okay, Kohanye, Poland is my home now. I know that for some people asking me when I'm coming back to Bali, even my mom, my dad, my brother in Bali, when are you coming home? I said, kapan-kapan.
Kapan.
I don't know. I'm enjoying
The most
my life
important
here.
thing is as you enjoying time here, right?
No.
That's the most important.
One thing in Polish language, no mean yes. No.
That's actually annoying a little bit. But yeah, no, it's mean yes.
No tak, no tak.
It's a little bit like yeah, nah, yeah. But actually same thing. And look at this crane operator.
I know.
He's putting the container.
I know, Kohanye. So that's the Plaćolnosti, right, Kohanye? So now we just keep walking and walking. Where are we going now?
There.
Where
That's the
are
St. Martin Street.
Uh-huh.
And there is new coffee shop. I wanna try.
Okay.
Let's try.
And then after that we will go to our favorite park. My favorite park.
Dobra.
And it's 3 p.m. and this is how it looks. The situation in the city center in Poznan, no? And big loud
That's the big
bikes.
bike. But that's big bike, Indiana.
When the big loud bikes is driving already, so it means spring and summertime.
It's warm.
It's warm. Okay. So this is how it looks. It's green city. Tak, Kohanye?
That's
Poznan
it.
is
That's
green
right,
city.
Sam.
Even there are so many buildings, construction going on. There another crane operator. It's green city.
Where is the crane operator?
Huh?
Oh, there.
Tab.
But that's the
This?
tallest crane in Poland, actually. They building one of the tallest building in Poland, by the way, in Poznan.
Okay.
Cool. Oh, another tram is coming. So many trams coming nowadays here. Huh?
Yes.
The guy
because
looks
this
so
one
chill,
is
no?
the city center, which is. Okay. So let's go. Chodź.
Gdzie?
Tu.
Okay.
Careful.
Let's go. Be careful
Bicycles.
because cyclists are...
Bicycles, tram, car.
That's the chaotic way of traffic in Poznan, which means chaotic nothing to the Asian style, but still chaotic. Oh, that's the men's club, bar, sugar bar, barber shop. Many stuff. And Żabka, 7-Elevens. Polish version of 7-Eleven. You have to know this brand when you come here. It's very, very famous branding.
Okay. Let's go
Żabi.
this way. What's up?
Sayang,
Huh?
what's happened? What was happened?
No, let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Sayang,
Yes.
are you happy?
Tak.
That's the most important thing, no?
No.
Oh, look at that. You see? Harley Davidson Poland group. So it's a little bit of Asian vibe here also, no? Loud bikes.
Poznan people have lots of money.
Yeah. Pyra. Oh, the most important is that for me is you're happy.
No.
Because as many people said, even we had the t-shirts like that in Bali back in 2019, but that's before YouTube actually. Happy wife, happy life. What? If your wife is happy, that's already half of the success of your life actually, technically speaking. The rest is not that big problem.
No tak, tak.
That's it. Sayang, where are we? Most teatral. So cool, huh? So, ladies and gents, this is Saint Martin Street and also Hotel Altos. You can stay on this street actually. This is legendary street actually, full of history. During the war, the broken tanks were on the middle of the street, and now they are gone. Actually, Poland has the full of history, and so many broken tanks everywhere was after the war. But doesn't matter. We're not talking about this topic today. Anyways, that's the street. Nice place, generally speaking.
Yes.
This is gonna be walking street in the future, you know that?
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
I agree with that, you know.
But now the cars and trams still are out, but with limitations. Sayang, you sing the Polish songs?
Dzięki za jesteś tu, dzięki za jesteś. I listened to the radio this morning. I really
There's
like
any
this
voice
song.
of Poland for the foreigners, like you said? Maybe you can join.
No.
That would be cool, no?
Yes, it's nice.
Whoa, I just realized this is the fountain. Lucky I
Yes.
walk on the middle, lucky it's not explode the water. It was splashy, Mila.
So yeah, this 20 Martin Street is actually the central business district. Kind of?
Kind of like this. Considering as there are many banks, I mean this is like a main street leading from the center to the old town.
Yes, that is true.
I don't know how exactly to say that. Is this central business district or not? How real? I mean, like, kind of. Kind of the city center, though.
Yes.
So that's how the life going. We are going to the brand new coffee shop actually, which is somewhere here. Actually, I could say it's also more and more Asian people saying in the Poznan, don't you think?
More international people, I can say.
I could say like that. That's
Yes.
true. See another
Very
Harley,
students.
sayang.
Oh dear.
And many delivery food people. That's the Bangkok.
That's Bangkok restaurant.
You've been here now with your mate, no?
Yes, we have arisan here, like a gathering, eating and talking, social gathering.
Social gathering. You have some friends here, Sam?
A lot.
That's good, no?
Yeah, but we usually go hang out during the weekend, but just today, on the Monday, they are working. Only me are having a day off.
When you're on your own, it's easier to have a day off on Monday, in the middle of the week, no? That's the thing. All right, where is my new coffee shop? And there's also famous hotel, NH Hotel there. And the old Kamienica. Sayang, what did you find there?
No.
Spicy Asian bazaar?
No, that's Indian shop. If you want to make a curry, probably that's the place to go. Because you know, here is actually in the front, Adam Mickiewicz University. There's so many international students. Nowadays, they already finished republishing the Zamek. And I see that there is a nice coffee shop that is becoming hype.
That's where I wanna go.
What's the word?
Hype about. But it's nice.
No.
Yo, this lady should let me go, lah.
Okay.
Unbelievable. Maybe
Yes.
she had a bad mood. So this is the Zamek Castle, right?
Yes, Centrum Kulturi Zamek.
Which is the cultural center in
Yes.
short. Okay,
Yes.
and the coffee shop is there. They built this actually as to attract little bit new people to this area. Actually, this place was closed for like 3 years because they do the renovations, all of this stuff and everything,
Yes.
which is sometimes also important. And this is like a modern building, which is actually kinda doesn't suit to this environment with the old thing. At the same time, actually, with this nice thing about the Poland is there is the modern next to the old, which is the mix of the everything, no?
Mix of the
That's
everything.
cool actually at the end of the day.
That reminds you about the history in the past, but you are still keeping up to date to the newest trend or newest
Exactly,
era.
together with the word 1956, very important dates. I am.
Yes.
We're not talking about the history, we're going to this coffee shop. It's busy actually. Or we can sit outside.
Nice. Maybe we can sit outside.
I wanna sit inside. Let's see how is it. Get inside, no?
Okay,
Let's go. Nice place, all busy, sir. There is no seat, huh?
Not even seat available. Maybe we can just sit outside, and many students are here. And this
Many
one,
students, no?
This is the coffee shop.
We are lucky we found the seat, no?
And then what I can say that there are a lot of students here. Yes. And the thing is nice.
Nice, actually, little coffee shop next to Zamek, and next to the main street over there. Actually, nice.
Fancy, trendy.
So, how was the coffee place and everything?
Nice, full of the young people.
Full of the energy.
Tak. And then now we will go to the park next to the Adam Mickiewicz University
Your
building.
favorite park.
Yes.
You used to hang out when you were waiting for your documents, no?
Exactly.
And making videos all the time, right?
Exactly. Ostrowicz. And to see that how this place is really already fully refurbished, right? So very nice, so many nice comfy sitting area. And
Like
if
this
I
one.
was students, I would definitely choose this place. Okay.
Of course, the best place in Poznan. That's how does it look like actually.
Let's cross the street, kochani.
Yeah, let's cross the street.
Szybko.
Idziemy crossing the street. Saying there is no motorbikes driving across between we are walking, no?
No.
So,
Yeah.
do you miss that motorbikes crossing and driving next to you?
Of course not.
I
I
don't
already feel comfy driving cars here.
Now you
And
just
at the
want to
public
drive a car,
transportation,
no?
No. Okay, so this one is Adam Mickiewicz Park. And then this one is the most beautiful park after Park Sowat. But Park Sowat is number 1. This one is number 2, my favorite one. And there are lots of history things here that you can learn. And yeah. Oh my god. And I would like to see the fountain if it's already work. And yes, Damian usually don't go with me, I only go alone. So today is a beautiful, nice occasion, nice sunshine, blue sky, nice weather. So yeah, everything is good. Yes, I'm saying what is it, the truth. So everything is good.
That's true. That's the Adam Mickiewicz. Here you go. Gonna show you a little bit, 360 degree. We're going to the parks.
So like I told you guys, my life is boring in Poland. Boring in terms of everything is here. so yeah, I'm happy so far. This is, like I told you, it's Nothing to complain about.
That's the most important thing. Oh, Sayang, look at this view, so beautiful, isn't it?
This is.
That's the
I told
opera,
you.
no?
Yes, that's the theater building in the front, and the green grass, fountain. Really, you know, when I came here first time, when I sit in the park and I saw this, this is like what I watched in the movie about you know, Europe in Netflix, just like this. Come on, Kohani, let's enjoy the time.
So like I said, the most important thing is as the Sayang, my wife is happy living in Poland, right? I didn't force her to say that. Oh yes, you know, watching us for 5 years, you know, that's the candid and we are always honest with whatever we film, right?
Yes, so I think that's all our video today, guys. Our life in Poznan, Poland.
Regular day. Some people may call it bowling day.
Yes, so but at least that I'm enjoying.
The most
Rather than
important.
you live in the beautiful places but you don't enjoy it and stuck in the traffic jam and then polluted or something like that. I didn't want to mention anymore. So thanks for watching and see you next time.
See you next
Bye.
time. Or tomorrow, you never know.